Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to use some of the knowledge that we gained over the last couple days using subtraction sentences and subtraction stories and comparing sets to start solving subtraction facts to 5. So one of the strategies that we've already practiced in school, especially when we're only going to 5, is to use your hand because you have 5 fingers on your hand. So you can't see my hands right now, so I'm going to draw pictures to help, but you can use your hands at home, all right? So we've got a page in front of you that has 6 different subtraction sentences that we have to solve, or subtraction equations, all right? The first one here is 4 minus 0 equals what? So if you're at home, you can hold up 4 fingers and do it that way. And I'm going to do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it's telling me to take away 0. So I don't have to cross anything off. If you're taking away 0, you're taking away nothing. So I've taken nothing away. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I still have 4 left. So that tells me that 4 minus 0 equals 4. All right, let's go to the next one. It starts with a 2, so you're going to want to hold up 2 fingers, and I'm going to draw my 2 dots. All right, so it's telling me 2 take away 1, all right, equals how many are left. So if you had 2 fingers, you put down 1 finger, you should have 1 finger still standing. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Nice job. Okay. Moving on over the next one here, it says that I have 1. So put up 1 finger. And it's telling me to take away 1. Okay, bye. So how many are left? I don't see any more dots above that equation. So 1 minus 1 equals 0 because I have nothing left. Now we're going to go over to the equation that says 4 minus 3. I'm going to start by doing 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and it's telling me that I have to take away 3. So here we go. You should have 4 fingers up, putting down 1, 2, 3. Figure out how many are left. I've got 1 left, so 4 minus 3 equals 1. All right, we've got 2 more. All right, I'm going to give you some time to do this one on your own at home. Hold up 5 fingers. Take away 0. How many are left? If you said 5 minus 0 equals 5, you're right. If you're holding up 5 fingers and you don't put any of your fingers down, you still have 5 left. So 5 minus 0 equals 5. All right, try this one at home. 3 minus 1 equals what? Holding up 3 fingers, taking away 1 finger. How many do you have left? 3 minus 1 equals 2. If you had 2 fingers, you are correct. All right, so now that we've done a little quick practice, you are going to go into your Seesaw, and you're going to see workbook pages that look like this, and you're just completing all of the subtraction facts to 5 by matching the number sentence to its answer, and then you're going to complete the number sentences here just like we did in this lesson. All right, have fun.